Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to put together a Valentine's heart. This is actually a heart that I've used in Block of the Month. So if you want to go check that, I think it is 2016, the Apricot and Persimmon quilt. So what you have here are two whatever color fabrics you want to use. I'm using So Ruby today, and these are 6.5 by 3.5, and then you're going to need two white squares, and these are 3.5-inch squares, and then you're going to need four 1-inch by 1-inch squares. They're tiny. And what you're going to do is draw a pencil line on the diagonal, and you're going to sew it here, here, and then same deal here. So on each of the diagonals. And then what you're going to get are pieces like this. You can see I've sewn it here, here, and here. And you're going to trim it down like I've done right there. And then you're going to fold it back and you're going to iron it flat like this. And it will create two blocks like this once you've folded them back and ironed them, pressed them flat. And then all you're going to do is sew these two get together right here, and you will get this. Isn't that cute? Such an easy block. Okay, make sure and check out Carina Quilt Along. That hashtag has anyone who has made a quilt using one of my video tutorials here on Instagram. And I'll see you soon.